Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup project templates using Adobe Creative Cloud. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Adobe Creative Cloud application. Sign in with your Adobe ID if you are not already logged in. Navigate to the Assets tab on the main interface. Locate the Templates section within the Assets tab. Click on the Templates section to view all your project templates. Select the template you wish to backup by clicking on it. Look for the download icon, usually represented by a downward arrow. Click the download icon to save the template to your local drive. Choose the desired download location on your computer. Confirm the download by clicking Save. Repeat the selection and download process for any additional templates you wish to backup. Once all templates are downloaded, navigate to your chosen file location. Organize the downloaded templates into a dedicated folder for easy access. Ensure that all files are properly named for easy identification. Consider creating a backup of this folder on an external drive or cloud service. Verify that your backup has been successfully completed by accessing the files. That's it. You have now backed up your project templates using Adobe Creative Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.